Kita nyo naman yung get up ko. See? Naka-shorts. At ganito lang. It's a beautiful day. Hello! Welcome back to my channel and thank you for subscribing sa mga new subscribers ko and to my old subscribers. Thank you for watching my videos and going back to my channel. And ngayon is Saturday, Sabado de Gloria. Yeah, Sabado de Gloria, pero maganda ang weather. Masaya kami dahil maganda ang weather, warm. Naka-shorts lang kami at naka-chinelas. So, yun. Mga errands namin ngayon ni Cute ngayon pupunta muna kami sa Chipotle dahil bibili namin ng lunch yung aming mini-me kasi morning shift siya. And marami kami gagawin ngayong araw. So, yun. So, samahan nyo ako for my daily Saturday errands. And mamaya may party rin ako mamaya sa dati kong ka-opisina. So hopefully maano ko yun. Masama ko dito sa video ko. Yun. Okay? And mamadali na ako kasi baka yung aming anak ay gutom na. Dadala na namin ng pagkain doon sa kanyang trabaho. Ito yung mga hinihintay-hintay na naming panahon. Si Cute, ang ganda ng suot, oh. Yun, sarap ng weather ngayon, oh. Shorts and t-shirt lang. Dala sa pa mo? Naglagay ng lotion. Sandas na yun. Cute pa naman. Nagugulo siya. Ito kami sa Chipotle. Bili na namin anak namin ng lunch niya. Alam ko napakita ko na to Chipotle.
Diyan po nasa ko yung pako.
Yung sister ko dito nagtatrabaho yung isa. Kaso wala siya. So wala kaming discount. Sayang. Okay.
Can you get a bowl, please? To go. White rice. Can you add extra rice, please? Yeah. No beans. Steak.
Queso?
Yeah, queso. Yes, queso and cheese. Queso and cheese. Yeah. Can you put that on the side, please? Put it on the side, and that one is on it. That's it.
Pupunas ang paa kasi madulas. Yun. Excited oh. Mag-sandals. Excited mag-chinelas oh. Uy, sarap. Warm weather. So, are you good? Almost. Grabe. Sarap lumabas na naka-shorts, t-shirt at chinelas lang.
Ay, salamat po. Iklopin ko.
Alright. Okay. Aha. Nag-date kami ni Cute. Date. Ano na si Cute? Nandito kami sa Kung Fu Team. Mga boba-boba. Nag-crave ako Nag-crave ako ng so, yun. Tapos, bubili na kami ng Korean chicken.
Para ang
baon ng anak namin tomorrow. So, yun. Enjoy yung birthday party. Kaso hindi ko na na-video dahil sobrang hectic yung mga bisita. Pero enjoy naman. Hello, cute. Ano? Yung ka dito, walang ano eh. Hindi ako pinapansin. Pero pag hindi ko lang pinansin, nagpapapansin. Yan yung order namin. Cute.
Wow!
Strawberry, ano? Ano to?
Ano?
Nata.
Nata, sa'yo boba. Ayoko
Ako yung boba. You know, umaga ng takoyaki. That's it, mahal. Happy Easter! Easter Sunday. So, mag-church kami kasi Easter na. Happy Easter sa everyone. And mag-ano lang kami, family bonding. Kaming tatlo. So, hinintay ko lang yung dalawa. Then, punta kami sa church. And magpapadre pio kami at pagpapasalamat din kami sa mga blessings na nare-receive natin at especially sa health. So, thank you. And tagal ng dalawa. Baka maliit kami sa simbahan. Easter, maraming nagsisimba ngayon. Yung mga dito sa US, ang mga maraming nagsisimba lang ganyan. Mga special, Easter, Christmas, yan. Pero yung mga regular Sunday, hindi naman ganun karami. Yeah, yun. Wow, happy Easter! Kakain na kami.
Gutom.
Gutom? Ang anak ko. Dito kami kakain. Mediterranean. Wow. Parang walang tao ah. Sigurado. Mas ba anak? Happy Easter. Wala yatang waiter dito.
Hindi, meron. Kaya nga order yun.
Uy, libre. Turkish.
Choose up to 4 hummus. Grilled vegetables. Eggplant and peppers. And in tomato sauce. Baka maangang yun ah.
Meron pala nito, hindi mo nagbabasa yun. Pili ng pili eh. Look at this. Okay naman pala eh. Para palang ano to eh.
Ito na pala eh.
Ano naman pala eh.
Ito naman pala.
Hello.
What's the white rice, please?
Just white rice?
Okay, half of the yellow and half of the
Like I
rice.
told you, son.
Yeah.
You came here to eat. Why settle for just something? Don't be scared to eat, all right?
Yeah, I know.
Which one of your proteins here?
And chicken,
Oh, chicken kebab?
yes, chicken kebab and the beef one.
Okay.
Okay, can I have some of the grilled veggies? And then the eggplant, please. Okay, hold on. And then, is that spicy?
No, nothing.
No, okay, that
You
one.
scared of you don't mind spice?
I don't want
It's not-
spicy.
I got me clear on that. I'm not gonna give you nothing spicy.
Okay, I just want to make sure because I cannot
got
eat
you, I got you.
spicy.
I totally understand.
Thank you. That one. No, the first one. That
Second
one.
Okay. All right. You got one more?
I get one more.
Yes.
Let's try this one, please. Okay. Corn, please.
Don't worry, there's nothing spicy here. Pepper in there.
Okay. Some of the onions, please. A little bit of onions. Yeah. I don't think I still want something else. A little bit of tomatoes, please.
Tomatoes?
Yeah.
Pickled cabbage is very good.
Okay, let's try that.
Sure got one more, so we're across the finish line.
So, let's do this one.
Cucumbers?
Yeah, please.
Okay, and what's going to be your sauce then?
That one. Is this a yogurt sauce?
Yeah, they're all yogurt sauces. It's a sweet herb.
Oh.
This is the classic tzatziki, cucumber and garlic.
Can I have both? One of this one and one of that one?
On top, on the side.
On the side, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright, it's my turn, my turn. Ooh. Sarap. First bite. First bite. Sarap. Sarap naman ah. Sarap yung beef.
Sarap.
Ito masarap tong beef nila, malasa. Actually lahat malasa eh. Even the chicken di ko pa natatry. Ito masarap din. Hummus. Ano yung sa'yo man? Ano yung
Sarap.
nasarapan mo?
Itong veggies na to. Hindi ko pa na-try eh.
Yung
Parang
eggplant.
hindi ko pa na-try. Pero ito gusto ko parang dun sa nasa Rockwell. Yung Cafe Mediterranean. Yung parang fresh. Yung ano, veggies nyo.
Dito kami ngayon sa Padre Pio. Pakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng Padre Pio dito. Padre Pio. Yan si Padre Pio. Every year nagpupunta kami dito, nagdadasal. Kasi sa Pilipinas, nung nasa Pilipinas kami, nagano na kami ng Padre Pio sa may Pasig. Ito lang yung Padre Pio malapit sa amin. Meron din dito sa Pennsylvania nga lang. So, ayan. Look at this. Gonna pray for Padre Pio.